What's up guys? So today we are shooting video at a new location. First me actually come out of here.
Yes peeps, welcome to a new great adventure. We find one new river where we are going to kick off the ball.
New location guys.
New location. So I'm placed in a bluefield.
Yeah man, so thing about Caribbean Vibes cooking, we tend to want to try a lot of new location, new ideas along with new location. Not really a big fancy river, but like the adventure part of it, that's what I like about it. They actually have a tunnel and the water comes through the tunnel.
It's a great look. Yeah.
Seems like the rain will go fast too, so I will try to see how best we can wrap up the video and get it started because we just reached. Yeah. You can shelter under the tunnel, man. The guys will come there. Yeah, I could do it,
Yeah. Now kick off the ball now, peeps.
Yeah, it's all about adventure. Caribbean Vibes cooking. It's not really one of the best river I see so far, but tend to wanna give new location because I don't really want to get the channel boring like person can say like every week it's the same location. The females them the guys. Anyone you know, anyone who comfortable with? Anyone, any side who comfortable with? Females them guys, I don't know if I can see them. Chrissy, beer, green. Yeah guys, as early as we reach out today and set up. Look at here, rain come down. It's a good thing with the car and look at canvas. Because we're approaching the rainy season now, so you know how it come down as daylight rain starts. Yeah. I go and chop up the boat. Season up here, you know. Still a try. If you guys see the video here, you know that we make it to the end. But the rain will come down, you know. So once a dog get behind the camera, you know.
Yes, peeps. It's a rainy Sunday this week.
That's what the boss said beside
us. It's a rain and shine. Just tell us how we are out.
Yeah, man, out in the rain, see you know, don't give up, you know. One, the last tip of blood.
The fire catch up. I drive up top and you know, in our left, so you bust up on top of us. Drive on our left. Salman there, I get the goat, cut up.
Yeah, so some curry goat with roti, fried conch with mango jerk sauce and just a little bit of veg.
Yeah.
Because it's very important to have a healthy diet. So I don't go without a balanced meal. I always have my vegetables. And so these are the goat. So we are going to use some garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento seed, cloves, season up the goat. Before we season up the goat, have to cut up here and clean it, you know. Season up a goat using some pimento seeds. Crack them in a little mortar, you know. And some chop season, scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, a little piece of pepper, powdered season, all purpose, a little bit of black pepper, some meat season, and you add some curry powder. And just a little bit of cloves. Yeah. Cloves go good with curry, you know. The Indian people love cook curry with cloves. The cloves tend to add a good flavor to the meat. You know? And cloves was originate from India as well. That one, so I do my history and I do my check, guys. You know, cloves, that one, all the way from India come from. So we are season and allow the goat to penetrate the season. You know, in other words, we are season it and leave it to marinate. Yeah, people, add some curry, burn it, just add a little garlic. And the reason of burning the curry, guys, is to give the meat a smooth flavor, you know, of the curry, you know. So just burn the curry. And so you don't really want the curry to burn up in it, so you just keep on stir till you get the color that you are looking for. Yeah, you can smell it. The curry smells so good along with the garlic. Yes man, so you say goat are going. Yeah. When you can't stop the pot today, you make sure that I come prepare with my canvas. Only thing for the canvas should have been bigger, you know. So I'm just stir frying it a little bit and then I'm just gonna cover it so the meat can actually produce its own liquid. Yes. Curry look good on the goat.
Yeah. Oh, curry pretty.
Going to be a beat up with Conch them, guys.
Yeah.
So we have several videos of how we prepare the conch. So we're not gonna really take you guys right through it carefully. And so just a quick splash. So in order for the conch to splash out and break up, normally then just cover it with a bag or put it in a bag. So the beating of it is based upon getting the conch more tender. And these conch, they are in-house conch, so they don't really take long to cook. 5-6 minutes and they are eventually cooked. Yeah. What a go on.
Pretty. Tips. I'll go to roti. Wicked menu today enough. I smell it. A boy in a goat.
Boy, you can't smell the ram in a goat.
Yeah man, I want boy goat man.
Right. You're a big man, you can't see them a big man.
Yeah, I'm a big man.
Yeah, curry looking good.
Beautiful. And the riverside with it today again. Rain wet me up.
Yay! Chrissy, say hi to the camera.
Hi guys, we're just touring the place. So down this side you have some person down there. I don't know what we're down there. So kind of,
Yeah, you do.
the place is kind of slippery, so you have to be very careful.
Whee! So, this is the place. So, this is banana tree. What kind of tree? What kind of tree?
Alright guys, so we're walking down the stream. Look at nature. Nature is really beautiful. And my sister outside.
Hi guys.
The rest of the gang is up there preparing the food. You know, some nice curry
mutton.
With roti and
French fried cob.
yeah.
So, we there one part like how far is that one? How far is that?
Look at the sun, guys. Beautiful. Nature at its finest.
So yes, please, you get to do a mix up with make roti. Wash this now. You get in the flour in the pan. You get in some salt. You get in some baking powder. I get in a piece of butter. Wash out the butter. Mix in the salt and the butter and the baking powder.
Yeah guys, so rolling the roti dough into some balls. So we just finish rolling and we just gonna leave it, allow it to rest a little bit before I roll them out. Like about 3 of this more, 3 of the roti more today. So I can manage 3 today. Much I want, Chrissy? Okay, no problem. So we allow it to rest a little bit. Goat finally after 2 hours. Next time I go check the goat age paper to see how tough he or all him be. So I add in some carrot. Allow it to cook. But the goat really tough, man. So I'm thinking another 5 to 15 minutes should have completed the cooking process. Yeah, record that. Where I record?
The conversation.
Oh, the conversation.
Yeah.
Guys, female can please. There's no way if you just go on and come off, then see as you go on and come off. And if you have to do what you have to do, then still have problem. So we don't understand. Chrissy.
So you say Chrissy?
It's better them go on and come off and then we can start again. More than we just continue. You're on your phone and you just I'm not better comfort for the
Where's the come?
We come to perform. We come to go on with things and start up a show. Because we don't left no room for you, man.
How you mean?
Yeah, man, boss lady, for your opinion.
Come on.
So everybody can go 2 times in one night, because sometimes when they make 1 time, then burn out, then done out.
Eh? And that you go out with dog. Eh?
No, that'll be. I don't
That you are going with?
No, that me are going with. Yeah, some man say they work for y'all 2-3 hours. No, me that. Me don't know that. Me not start a movie. Yeah, me don't long thing, long out thing, but I want you to have a movie.
Well, with me now,
Yeah.
when me come.
Alright,
Yeah,
that's how it
so
is.
go out and spend 1
Yeah.
second, and that me did for go.
Alright, that me did go. If
I'm
you
start back
if I
again.
have 1 minute, that me did go. Yeah,
But at that Chrissy word.
Long out.
Eh, Chrissy, at that you want.
I'll get you.
Then I get you.
You got it dirty.
What a random.
The conversation sweet, come slide and drop. Actually, he asked all he asked, what that? Turn around, let them see you. Look how you...
Shut up, man.
Yes, bud.
We glad they catch the one.
Yeah, people, so you get the conch season up. You get some Maggi fish cheese upon the conch. A little Maggi all purpose. Yeah, some meat season. We're stirring that. What a little piece of pepper. Eat little spice. Right, man. Now let's make it go and soak. Leave it make it go and soak for about 5 or 10 minutes. And we get the fire line up to start French fry the conch. Boom.
What a fit the shine.
Hi guys.
Too shiny. Guys, come slide or drop. Funny ass, man. You say, a joke today. These people have a 3-hour boat finally have come. So we are going to re-season, carrot, cook, we'll add some onion, scallion, Irish and some bell pepper. Not gonna add any more pepper because female them not really like the spice like that much. Tend to cook and give people option.
Good, pretty.
Add on a little piece of stick butter, add flavor. It's optional, guys. I like to add it just to enhance the flavor, you know. And all these are pimento leaf. Basically, I already get the flavor from them, so they can come out now. Yeah. Check here now and so I go on, you know. Yes, man. What ready?
So yes, people, you're going to season up the flour for the French fry conch. I'm going to add some Maggi in it. I'm going to add a little cornstarch in it. So, I'm going to mix up this now. Conch in it, and we'll add it in the curry. Things are just out of the tree and freezer. Somebody will fling on fire.
My fruits on the tree, like the tree of beer. Don't even know what kind of one look like a guango and one look like a fish. I don't know. I don't know what kind of tree or what.
Get the air now. Get me cook in the air. And go on, fry. French fry conch, mango sauce, mango jerk sauce. Right at Bluefield River there, so. Right time turn off the up in the hill. Nice little river.
Water tend to dirty right now, guys, because the rain was falling and stuff, but you know, we still not gonna make that spoil the day.
Put the conch in a pot. Which conch?
The guys on the Conch actually catching good golden color.
Yeah.
You can see how they're crispy they are because of the cornstarch. That's what gives it that nice crispy golden look.
For peeps, you can see the conch is finally ready. We get them out of the pot now into the brush. And then we get in some more. Come on, clear the crispy. Christmas.
Yeah, it's a Chrissy. Guys, it's a Chrissy there. Chrissy says she's hungry. Chrissy don't want to talk today, guys. Chrissy hungry.
Conch pretty man, what's pretty conch today? Yeah, we get to make crispy conch.
So this curry goat and roti was requested by Chrissy, guys. Chrissy says she wants curry goat and roti.
Yeah.
So, alright.
I smell the tree of the from
I fruit them off of a tree I drop.
I dropped some mine.
Remember say up them I come from. Come you love water, don't you don't go up. Eh? You come there. Come here walk over. The through the river full of man, because eventually camping video them will come up and all stuff. Yeah guys, we actually purchased the drone now. So I'm purchasing a solar power bank charger with flashlight. And we can charge up the phone and the gadgets them. And also purchasing a new tent. Because we actually have 2 tents already, but because the amount of person. So even though outdoor, but one person be comfortable. So you know, as soon as we get the tent them and the drone reach Jamaica, then you know so we are gonna start hit the camping vlog them. Yeah.
We are reach. We are reach to the point where we want to reach.
Yeah, and when you use the brush and pour the oil on it, the brush with the oil, that's what gives the roti the ear pack. As you can see, it's a bucket of like rice. So that's what we call the ear pack in the roti.
Guys, this is the roti. Roti and curry mutton.
You can't wait for the pot.
Which is nice. Right.
After Steve I come out of the cupboard, go to hot people.
I'm gonna taste the roti. And we don't need part to do this. It's up like a little dough like. So I was to say the sticky negative. It's really good soft. You know, to pop, you just have this soft, feel like cloudy. Yeah, and have a little flavor. So this is roti. It's really good and nice with the curry roti gravy. You should try it.
And Chris is there to do it, guys, because I don't know what happened to the GoPro Eventually the GoPro and the power bank, everything locked down today. So I'm actually have to using her phone, Chris's phone to record the footage. So Chris is turning the roti in the car. You can see the ear bubble in it. It is good.
Yes, Steve, as you can see, Chrissy and Brina go and enjoy themselves. Meanwhile, the food soon ready. There. Yeah, man. Oh, that nice, fresh. Yeah, man, over there, man. Oh. You can see come and work on the road to them. Oh, smell some.
Hi, Chrissy. Guys, Chrissy, I was right here.
Also other little all-purpose, easy to use. This will help enhance the flavor of the sauce. So this sauce is perfect, rich and thick, but also if I want to give it more body, I just use a little bit of cornstarch. Just mix out like a spoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water, and the sauce more body. This Rasta.
Come down, bro.
Like this, man. So come and walk down the stream, man. Yeah, man, come and walk down the stream. Please, to get in there, please. The last one left in the pot. The last one that left in the pot. Come on, I get there, man. Oh, Caribbean vibes to the flipping world. Brina. This is going to give me a rifle. What is that? Yeah, man, they're happy, man. Oh, that was him, man. They're happy, man. They're thieves. If the girls don't have happy time. Last week, they're getting nothing to wash out. Yeah. Some sort of crayfish. Yeah. Even fully out. Yeah.
Come, then you have here for your door.
Man, finish up.
But I'm just not here for that day for what?
I'm going to last one, that then.
So I'm just brushing the roti, coating it with a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna steam some string. Saute them a little. Guys, fish is soaking up the water today. You can see that Fishy and Green are having fun today.
Yes, peeps, we are reached the end of the peeps. Last time I wrote in a pot now. I can see boss lady applying some oil for them. Come on. Come a T40 roti. Yeah, come a T40 roti. You can't wait for the pot. Yeah. Whole team out today.
Caribbean boys cooking vlog on the team. Always have personal come through, man.
Come on, I can. Hello, something for the camera. My daughter passed through.
Hello.
Yeah.
Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Always like, okay?
Yeah.
Your dog are share today. It's a heavy hand.
Yeah, peeps, I got me great old curry goat for share. They're looking good.
No more, no. Guys, it's like me have to tell him, guys, I'm gonna share out everything in a plate them. Man.
Yeah, guys. The Conch sauce with the fried corn, delicious. And the string bean, just crunchy and give you a nice crunchy taste in your mouth. The curry goat and the roti, thumbs up.
That's really.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, let the goat just like some french fry pumpkin with some mango sauce. Very nice. Come on, nice. With some stir fry, string bean. Wow.
Hey, good. Come be next one.
That's our breeder. Always a high. Right up one, Chrissy.
That's really good.
Your people. Yeah. And a great one again. Curry goat. Shell off. String bean. Crunchy. People tend to cook string bean, and when they cook string bean color change. So basically when we steam the string bean, you must always maintain the green look. They just blanch like 2-3 minutes. It's supposed to have a crunch to it. Awesome.
Yes, the boy and I goat, though.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Full of flavor, like I'm running the food make me actually run out of words today.
Yeah.
Swear.
Where's it come? What's green and hide? What's green and hide? You're supposed to cook on the seat. Always a hide. Eh? Yes, man.
Curry goat. Really good at the French fry Conch.
Yeah.
And the roti. The string bean. Really delicious. I'm enjoying it right now.
Our first time doing roti.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I'll take off now. Take off. Oh.
The one in the full 100.
Yes, man. Brina, I say clean the plate, Brina. Oh my word. Brina, clean the plate. We'll start making roti.
Guys, look for a rasta nice sauce.
Hello. Mango jerk sauce. The conch. Oh, bro. Jug.
Another great sauce out of the great book of Caribbean Vibes cooking.
That's good. Good. Mango jerk sauce. That's what I need to get today. French fry conch, the mango jerk sauce.
Guys, so we have to take over the recording as I was explaining. The GoPro actually died. Now come on, don't know what happened to it even when I plug it in with the power bank. So hopefully nothing major happened to it.
No.
Yeah guys, so dog pull up the canvas, you know. Canvas come through today for you, brother. I
Yes,
swear.
man. Yes, Steve. It's a wonderful day. I'll tell you lie. Get a little rain, fall and it stop. Start again and get a little sunshine in the evening. So we are saying, we just pick our fear and deal with me in the next video. The blessed Sunday.
Yeah, so we are clean up because you know we're not really litter. Everything we carry go any river we go, we always ensure that we protect the environment. You know? So like, comment, share and subscribe. Out guys.